As we have received many inquiries about rerunning our debating workshop, this Term 3 holidays, Lyceum Centre is going to offer an enhanced version of our debating workshop, with a whiff of our similarly popular detective workshops. What sets our debating workshop apart from traditional ones is that our debates will be contextualized in an immersive scenario, where our debaters will become players in a puzzle challenge. Debate topics will revolve around that experience, connecting to larger issues such as social and political controversies common in debate. Besides skills such as speech writing, the key debating skill focus is on rebuttals, active listening and summary skills, as well as team building and creating a coherent and logical argument across team members. The high school class will also do peel eyes and hackles, which will require much more creative and quick thinking. Aside from public speaking skills, students will also be developing critical thinking, problem solving, creativity, and of course, teamwork. The workshops will be held at Epping Boys High School from 9 AM to 3 PM over 2 days. The primary section will be on the 30th of September to 1st of October, and the secondary section will be on the 2nd to 3rd of October. We are keeping the class sizes small with around 12 students and 2 teachers in each class. And for the first time, our workshop is approved to accept the New South Wales Creative Kids voucher. Please use them if you have one. If you would like to know more, please visit us at www.lyceumcentre.com. You can also email us at info@lyceumcentre.com or call us at 0403 592 608. If you still haven't, do subscribe to our Facebook page for information such as recommended resources like books or movies for gifted children and parents of gifted children. Hope to see you soon!